Imagine cruising through Mumbai traffic or blasting across a dusty highway in Rajasthan, and your SUV just doesn't break a sweat. That's exactly what the all-new 2026 Maruti Gypsy promises. Today, we're diving deep into India's iconic off-roader, now reborn for modern roads, and I'm going to show you why it's not just a car, it's a smart investment for anyone looking for durability, efficiency, and pure driving joy. The 2026 Maruti Gypsy starts at around 9.5 Indian rupees lakh in India, which is roughly $11,500 in the USA. For buyers in Japan or ASEAN countries, it lands around 1.6 million yen and $13,000, respectively. On first glance, it may look simple, but this SUV packs a punch when it comes to fuel efficiency and long-term savings. The new model boasts an impressive fuel average of 17 km per liter on highways and 14 km per liter in city traffic, which is remarkable for a compact SUV. If you compare that to other small SUVs from Toyota or Honda, the Gypsy still holds its own, giving you more mileage for less fuel. And while it's not a hybrid, its lightweight design and efficient engine keep running costs low, making it ideal for both urban commutes and long road trips. Now let's talk maintenance, because that's where the Gypsy really shines. Maruti has always been known for affordable service, and the 2026 Gypsy continues that tradition. Parts are readily available across India, and most mechanics are familiar with every nut and bolt of this SUV. In contrast, some imported competitors like the Toyota RAV4 or Honda CR-V can have higher service costs, especially if you're outside major cities. Insurance is also wallet-friendly, thanks to its compact design and proven reliability. Owning this SUV won't burn a hole in your pocket over the years, which is a huge plus for both first-time buyers and seasoned SUV lovers. Performance-wise, the Gypsy is a delight. Its 1.5-liter petrol engine delivers around 110 horsepower, which may not sound massive, but paired with a lightweight chassis, it accelerates briskly and feels nimble in traffic. City driving is a breeze. The compact dimensions allow you to squeeze into tight spots, navigate chaotic roads, and handle heavy traffic with confidence. On highways, the Gypsy is surprisingly stable. You'll enjoy smooth cruising, responsive steering, and enough torque to handle inclines, overtakes, and uneven surfaces without stressing the engine. It's practical yet fun, which is rare in this price range. One of the things I love about the Gypsy is its adaptability for Indian roads. Think potholes, speed bumps, and crowded streets. The Gypsy's suspension is tuned to absorb shocks without making your ride uncomfortable. The ground clearance is high enough to tackle rough patches, and its small turning radius makes U-turns and narrow lanes a non-issue. Compare that to a bulkier Toyota Fortuner or Honda BRV, and you quickly realize how this SUV is optimized for local traffic conditions while still offering a capable highway experience. Resale value is another strong point. Maruti has a legendary reputation in India, and the Gypsy is no exception. The 2026 model retains classic design cues but integrates modern comforts, which makes it appealing in the used car market. Buyers know they're getting a vehicle with proven reliability, low maintenance, and a fun driving experience. This means if you ever decide to upgrade, the Gypsy will hold its value better than many competitors, particularly in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Inside, the Gypsy keeps it simple but effective. Comfortable seats, intuitive dashboard layout, and enough cabin space for a family of 4 or 5. Modern touches like a touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone connectivity, and optional navigation make it feel contemporary without overcomplicating things. The SUV also offers clever storage spaces and a practical boot, perfect for daily errands or weekend adventures. When comparing it to Toyota and Honda models in the same segment, the Gypsy stands out for its blend of simplicity, efficiency, and ruggedness. While competitors may offer more bells and whistles or slightly higher horsepower, they often come with higher ownership costs, pricier spare parts, and complex electronics that can be a headache in the long run. The Gypsy keeps everything straightforward, cost-effective, and reliable, which is exactly what makes it a smart choice for Indian buyers and anyone overseas looking for a dependable, fun-to-drive SUV. In terms of numbers, ownership is where it shines. Fuel economy, low maintenance, insurance, and high parts availability combine to make a very affordable package. This means your monthly running costs are minimal compared to larger SUVs or imported vehicles. For buyers who want a vehicle that's ready to tackle city traffic, rural roads, and highway drives without surprises, the Gypsy is a smart pick. So, to wrap it up, the 2026 Maruti Gypsy is not just a nostalgic icon, it's a modern, efficient, and practical SUV that's built for the realities of Indian roads and attractive for buyers worldwide. Compact enough for city traffic, stable enough for highway cruising, and economical enough to keep running costs low, it's a no-brainer for anyone looking for a durable, fun, and cost-effective SUV. From fuel savings to easy maintenance, from reliable performance to strong resale value, the Gypsy delivers a complete package. If you want a vehicle that can handle Indian traffic like a pro, survive rough roads with ease, and still make your daily commute and weekend trips enjoyable, the 2026 Maruti Gypsy deserves a serious look. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if you found this review helpful. We're bringing you more in-depth, real-world car reviews every week, so stay tuned and drive smart.